In this video, we will learn about formatting text in HTML. How to format text in HTML. Formatting means changing its font face, its font size, okay? So, and font color. This is known as formatting. To change color, size, and face of the font is known as formatting. So, how we will do formatting in HTML, that we will learn in this video. So we will do the coding. As you know, we do the HTML coding in the notepad. You have to open notepad and do the HTML coding. We will start with the HTML tag, okay, to tell that it is an HTML document. We use HTML tag, and then head will come, and head will contain the title of the page. Then we will provide the close tag. For every tag you use, you will provide a close tag of it. So similarly, head tag is closed, and then the title tag is also closed. Now now first of all, we will change the font face, okay? So for that you have to means font face means what, like I will show you here. Let us zoom it. So here you can see file, edit, format, view. So in the format section you can see the font. So there are different types of font here. You can see that Consolas, Constantia, Pugar, like that. There are different types of font. So you have to provide the name in the coding, that which type of font you want. Like suppose if I want Comic Sans MS, so I will have to write that on that coding, so that, okay. So now we'll do the coding. So here the head tag is closed. Now what we have to do, now we have to start the body of the our web page. So we will type body, and then we will write a text, okay? Any text, the content of the web page we will write now. So we will write like, this is sample, this is sample text. You can write sample text. Then what you have to do, you have to provide a line break. We will provide a line break. We will use br tag for providing a line break, okay? Line break means what? If you provide a line break, then the next text will appear on the new line, okay? Whatever sentence or whatever text you will write next, it will appear in a new line. So now we will write the coding for the font face. We want to change the font face, so we want to write the coding for the font face. Now we will write coding for it. So for that we will use this tag font face. Now which font we want? We want Comic Sans MS, so we will write comic. We will write Comic Sans MS. Now I will show you what is Comic Sans MS again. See here in the format font, Comic Sans MS looks like this. Wait. So it looks like this sample of Comic Sans MS. So our text on the web page will appear like this. So Comic Sans MS. Now again you will write, this is sample text. Now why I am writing two times it? Because see, before coding what we have written, this font face will not apply to that. But after coding whatever I have written, on this font face tag will get applied. And for the comparison I have written it two times, means before what it was and after applying the coding what it was. So for that I have written it two times. Then we'll close the font tag. Then we will close the body tag. Then at the last we have to provide a close tag HTML. So now our coding is done. Now we will check whether it is working or not. So for that I have to go to the file menu, then first of all I have to save it. Now for saving, we will write any file name we can write, and you all know that what extension we have to give, .html extension we have to give. So I am writing it as font face .html, and here is in the save as type, select all files. Now we have saved our file with the name fontface.html. We will save it in the desktop only. So I save it now. Now I will go to the desktop. So I'll minimize it. Then here you can see in the desktop fontface.html. Now I will right click on it and I will open it with Internet Explorer. Now you can see here this is a sample text, that is a normal text for comparison that I have written 2 times, and here below you can see this is sample text. It is in the Comic Sans MS font. So the font face of the text will change. So this is the coding for changing the font face of a text in your web page. Okay, thank you.